Alright, this is just a little iPhone test. This is a film about changing the world. And how simple it would be if we all start working together. This is, we need to fix the world, so we all need to work together to do it. That's what we have to do. And then if we do, we can solve all our problems and build a better world. The way to deal with that is we look at the system, which is not working to meet our needs, which it should. So we've got to fix the system. And we've got to get together, work together to fix the system, to make the kind of a world we all want, which is what the vision describes. And this shows us how well we're doing, how well our needs are being met. It can tell us today how well our needs are being met, and in 2 years it can tell us if we're doing any better. And this is where we work out all the details. So you got it here. Everybody, all of us, all together, come together and build a world like this. That'll be wonderful. Here's the planetometer. We can track how well our needs are being met. Planning boards are broken, thanks GoDaddy, but we'll fix that. Shot of the sort of describes what the system is and how that all works, and then here's the plan. So let's all get together, take these action steps. This is what you do right in here, by these dates listed, get everyone you know to do the same, and we'll be good to go. So, looking forward to seeing you.